How to post on Twitter. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can post on Twitter. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Twitter or X application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Twitter account. Once you're on your home page, if you navigate to your bottom right corner on your interface, you will find a blue plus icon. Tap on it. Here, tap on post. Now, from this page, you can create a post for your Twitter account. Here, you can type in whatever you would like to post in your account. If you would like to add pictures there on this interface, you will have a picture icon. Tap on it. Now you can select a picture from your gallery and then tap on done from the top right corner. If you like to add location there, tap on this location icon and then you have to first enable the location. Tap on enable and then tap on OK. Now allow the location permission and then you can choose any location and then tap on done from the top right corner. If you like to add a poll, you can tap on this poll icon and then create your poll to post in your Twitter account. You can add the option for your poll and then tap on done or post from the top right corner, or if you like to change the audience, tap on this everyone can reply option and then now you can choose who can reply to your poll. And once you're done creating your post, you can simply tap in post from the top right corner and then here it says you have unlocked more on X. So tap on got it, and with that your post is now posted in your Twitter account. If you would like to view it, tap on your profile icon and then tap on your profile. Here you can see the post that you have posted recently. So that's how you can post on Twitter or X app, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.